So today I'm going to show you how to make a simple and easy garlic aioli. I already added to the blender about 6 cloves of garlic, 1 whole egg, and 1 egg yolk. Over here I have a cup and a half of olive oil, just a little bit of water, which I'm going to add just a drizzle, a drip of water. I got some lemon, and I got some salt. I'm going to add some salt now too. Nice pinch of salt. So to start this, I'm going to go ahead and puree this for about a minute or so until it gets some air into the eggs and get the garlic pureed very well. So you can see it's completely pureed. There's no remnants of garlic in there. Got a little bit of air into the eggs. So now we're going to start the emulsification process. You're going to start that with the blender running. Start with just a few drips at a time of the olive oil. See if I can videotape at the same time. So, as you saw, I went and added the lemon and Tabasco, and you can see the aioli's done. See, it's got nice, thick. It's beautiful. If you taste it, it's very strong of garlic, a little bit of lemon. So now I'm just going to put it into a container and put it to the side. And this is delicious on French fries and anything, but especially French fries and potatoes. And I'm going to grill some potatoes later, and that's what I made this for. But there it is. That's how you make a simple garlic aioli. Only took me maybe 5 minutes or so. I just wanted to show it to you one more time under the natural sunlight, show you the true color and beauty of it. But this will stay in the fridge for about 2 weeks, I would assume. Bon appetit, guys.